Hey affiliates, I am Donald with Clickflare. Browser pixels are no longer enough for accurate optimization. Ad blockers and browser restrictions eat your conversion data, and your ad platform can't optimize on data it never receives. The fix is the Conversion API or CAPI. It sends your conversions server to server straight from Clickflare to Facebook or TikTok. In this video, I'll show you how to set it up. First, you need two things from your traffic source: your pixel ID and your access token. Now for Facebook, we need to go to Events Manager, right here. Then we go to Overview, we select the data set that we want to add in Clickflare. So let's say this one here that doesn't have any activity. Then we go to Settings. Here we get the dataset ID, copy this one, go back to Clickflare and under Integrations, in this Conversion API tab, click Add Integration. In this case, select Facebook. Give this a name, select a pixel. You can add a new pixel, let's say this one here, paste the dataset ID, and let's grab the access token. And if we scroll down here, we have this button, Generate Access Token. Copy the access token, paste it here, click Save. That's how you add the pixel on the Facebook integration. Now step 3 is event mapping. This is the most important part. This tells Clickflare which of its events should fire which event on Facebook or TikTok. So basically, you will pick your Clickflare event like a conversion and map it to the traffic source event. So let's say conversion. Depending on your campaigns that you're doing in Facebook or TikTok, you can select the event to lead, or it can be complete registration, it can be a purchase. So whatever your campaign is optimizing for, choose to select that event. If you want to add another configuration, go ahead, click Add Configuration, and let's say that you want to send a specific event from Clickflare. For example, I want to send this step 1 click. I select it on the Clickflare side and then map it to an event on Facebook side in this case. For example, I'll map this as lead. Now, what makes this different from other conversion APIs is the full customization on the pixel payload. So you can customize your pixel by sending different parameters to your Facebook pixel or your TikTok pixel. So for example, let's click on Event Data Configuration, and let's say that you want to send the value to your Facebook pixel. So how you do that? You come here, click Add Configuration. I already done it here, but I'll show it as an example. So let's just delete this. So let's select the value and map it to the Clickflare payout UTM. Let's say that through your post backlink from your affiliate network, you're receiving their zip code or their email information. You can add that data here under the configurations. So for example, you want to send the email, and let's say that you have mapped that under the conversion parameter 1. You want to enter your zip code. Let's say that you have mapped that under the conversion parameter 2, and you just select zip. So this is really valuable when you're doing lead generation campaigns, but also if you're doing like e-commerce or you're selling a certain product through your affiliate offers. So this is really important when it comes to the pixel optimization, sending in as much data as possible to that specific event. So after you do that, you click Next. Oh, let's select the action source here, website, click Next, and save. That's it for the Facebook. The same principle applies for TikTok also. So you go under the Events Manager in TikTok under Data Sources, and let's add a new data source. So we click Next. We will skip this one and we will do the manual setup. Events API. Click Next. Let's just give him this name here. Okay, let's create a pixel. Okay, just choose a random template here. Let's say if you're doing e-commerce or I don't know, an offer sign up. Make sure that you are selecting the parameter that you want to optimize for. So click Next. Grab the pixel ID here. Go to Integrations in Clickflare. Add integration, TikTok. let's just add a new pixel. Enter the pixel ID here. Let's generate the access token. Paste it, save it. Here, the same thing. Select the Clickflare conversion event that you want to send to TikTok. For example, this one, it might be a payment. And here you select purchase. And again, if you want to add additional data to your pixel payload, just click this drop down here, add configuration, choose price, for example, and select payout. Let's just say you want the email. Make sure to map the parameter where you are receiving this email through the postback link. Click next, save, and that's how you add the TikTok conversion API. The same principle applies for all the traffic sources that we have here. So basically, you'll need a dataset ID and you'll need an access token in order to connect it to Clickflare. Now, after you have connected your pixel integrations, your conversion API integrations, you Clickflare, and after you have passed all that juicy information through the pixel payload, the most important step and the final one is to link to your campaign. Most people forget to do that, so the way that you do this is you go to campaigns, and after you have created a campaign, or when you are creating a campaign, you need to make sure that under use integrations, you need to select your pixel here and then continue saving or finalizing your campaign. And that's it. Your conversion data now flows server to server and your campaigns optimize on real numbers. If you get stuck, hit the support icon at the bottom left, start a chat, and the team will help you out. Thanks for watching.